Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Chisholm and today I have a little Depop haul for everyone. I've been shopping a lot. It's like kind of therapy for me. When I get really like depressed, I just want to shop because I feel like pretty new clothes will fill the void in my life for a little bit, and then it actually does, and then it kind of fades away, and then I have to buy something else pretty. So these are all the pretty things I bought in, let's say, the last 3 months. I've been in a real skirt phase. I mean, I've always liked skirts, but I'm wearing more like longer skirt because it's like fall. This is a black floral skirt with pink flowers. I love this. Honestly, just so beautiful. I feel like a princess. It has literally no stretch, so it's kind of weird like walking around in it. I wouldn't do this if I was doing something where I had to be extremely active, but hey, I don't know, it's just beautiful. And the tag for this skirt says Dharma, in case you want to see if you can find something similar. Yeah, sorry, I don't really know what to say about things. The next skirt I got was this blue one, and it looked a bit different like on the picture of like the listing, but what I got was actually like still so gorgeous. So it's this like light blue skirt, and I've been experimenting with trying out wearing colors because if you've seen like previous hauls that I've done, I really don't wear color all that often, so I'm trying it out. And while I do like wearing color, it sometimes doesn't feel like true to me, but this skirt I actually really like, and I actually do feel like it's true to me. I love pairing this with like platform boots. I feel like that's really cute. Yeah, there's no tag on this, so I don't really know what the brand is. The next thing I got was this Wilson's leather jacket, and I'm so glad I bought this. I think it's really best if you want to buy leather pieces to buy them secondhand. Buying leather is like really bad for the environment actually. So this is a secondhand leather piece, and it's like new. I already got makeup on like this fuzzy part because I'm a mess, but it's really like new. Like the quality is amazing, and it's cropped, and it looks really good with mid-rise to low-rise pants, and it's really warm too, and I feel like I will get a lot of wear out of this. I've already gotten so much wear out of this. I could see me wearing this for a few decades even. Brand for this is Wilson's Leather. The next thing I got were these pants. So they have this grommet buckle detail, which I always love in clothes, and I feel it kind of gives it a little bit of edge. They kind of flare out on the bottom, and usually I'm hella like anti-pants. Like I don't like wearing pants. I love skirts. I love feeling like girly, but these are just so cute, and I feel like they're just very like my style. And I feel like since it's getting colder, I can't always be wearing skirts, and I wear these to work, and I don't know, I feel really good in them. They fit perfectly. I'm really happy with them. The tag for this says Mandy, so if you want to see if you can find something similar, that's how you're gonna do it. All right, and yeah, I really like this. The next thing I have is this green sweater, and this is also on my quest to wear more color. It's like a dark forest green, and it has this navy blue trim, which I found really interesting because I really like how these two look together, how they look like against each other. I think it's really unique, and I feel like I rarely see this color combination in clothing. And then it has these like brass goldish buttons, and I really like this. It's warm and good quality. I feel like when I do wear color, I tend to go for the more muted tone, but I feel like this fits really well into my wardrobe. So the brand of this is Limited, and I know they were really popular in the 90s. It's 100% wool as well. So this is another skirt I got, and I really love this. I feel like whenever I'm watching videos of like girls on the internet like getting dressed, or like reels, or any type of like outfit content online, I'm always so attracted to outfits that include something plaid, and I'm very attracted to this pattern for some reason. I decided to get a new plaid item, and I love this. I feel like I wear this all the time, and it kind of has this like, it's like black and white and gray gray and red, and then it also kind of has this gold stitching throughout. I don't know if you can see it, but it's there. And yeah, I don't really know why I like plaid. Maybe I'm trying to like recreate my childhood because I went to private schools for a lot of my life. But yeah, this is sick, and I like how long it is, and I feel like it's really good for fall. The brand is XOXO. I don't know if y'all can see that. You can see that it actually says $12. I don't remember how much I paid for it. She actually only charged me $18 for it, which is pretty good for Depop to only add like what, $5, $6 to the price. I'm grateful for this skirt, and it's very cute. So I actually got another sweater. I love this. It's such a good basic for fall, and it's just really warm. It's 100% wool. It kind of felt a little bit itchy at first, but you get used to it, and it's just really warm. It's hand knit. Thing is J. Crew, and I really like it. It fits perfect, and yeah, I don't know. I don't really have much to say. It's just a very basic black sweater, and I feel like I can just wear this with anything. This is an IMG skirt, so it's kind of like this like wavy kind of psychedelic type pattern, and I honestly fell in love with this the minute I saw it. It was just beautiful, and it kind of has this uneven hem, which is kind of like very like boho vibe. I don't really know, I'm just saying words at this point, but it's just gorgeous. And I kind of like didn't really know if I should buy it at first because it was kind of expensive even for Depop, but honestly I don't regret it at all. Like I wear this all the time. Like I've already gotten my like cost per wear, and I just love it. Like it's just one of those pieces where like I like am excited to wear it, and like I'm always like having to like stop myself from wearing it too much. Gorgeous, Gorgiana. Like I said before, it is IMG, so it'll probably be a little bit easier to find if you wanted it, and I'll see if I can figure out what the like actual name of this skirt is. And it looks so good with my new hair. Are you kidding? So the last thing I got was this shirt, and honestly this is just the most gorgeousest thing ever. Like it's a deep V, and it kind of has this dark like floral print, and then the sleeves are kind of like flare. I feel like this matches my style really well because the colors are more muted, and also this asymmetrical detailing on the bottom I really love. It looks kind of like nothing when I'm holding it up though. It'll look a lot better on the try on. I really love this piece. I just think it's probably one of the most beautiful things I've bought this year, along with the skirt that I just showed, and I just love how unique it is. The tag says Komi Kamo. I don't really know if that's like the right pronunciation. I highly doubt it, but if you want to find something similar, yeah, here's that information. So that is it for my Depop haul. I'll probably be buying a lot more in the future because I think I'm starting to realize that I have a shopping addiction. So yeah, look forward to that. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.